So, about to install the final post on the porch, and before I do that, thought I'd provide a little detail on how the posts are built and how we're installing them. This is a 6x6 rough sawn cedar post, so it's a full 6x6, and it is notched at both ends, and that's so that on the bottom the post sits on the beam in addition to sitting on the pier, and up at the top the beam that sits in the post fits into that notch, so it's fully supported. Down at the bottom I put 4 screws into the bottom of the post. That will get the post up off the pier, off the masonry pier, so it's not sucking up the moisture from the cement. And it is attached with these 8-inch, half-inch carriage bolts, and you're just drilling a half-inch hole through the beam and through the post, and then on the outside using this 1-inch spade bit to countersink that carriage bolt so that the head of the bolt is flush with the beam, so that we can get some trim on there later. So here's what the finished product looks like. Down at the bottom it is, you can see it's sitting on the beam, and then it's bolted through the beam and into the post. Same thing up at the top. So up at the top the beam is fully supported by the post, and then we've got 2 half-inch bolts going through the beam and into the post. See if we can show the outside here. So there's our carriage bolts on the outside, and you can see those are recessed a bit, so we can put our trim over those. And I put a couple of, you can see I put a screw in the front, and I put a screw in the side before I drilled the holes for the bolts to make sure that they were exactly in the right place. So that's one more to go, one more post to go, and then those will all be up, and then we will start hanging rafters. So see you soon.